This is HP Omen gaming laptop 16.1. This video is about the HP Omen Gaming Hub application problem. In this laptop, the HP Omen Gaming Hub application, I wasn't able to access these modes: network booster, lighting, and performance control by default. For this version, this is the error it throws: Omen SDK out of date. After I try to update, this is the error I get. The solution given by AI is go to this specific path and delete this file. Open C drive, enable hidden items, and then you will be able to see system.sav file. Open it, search for logs, and then scroll down until you see Omen CC SDK pack.log file. Right click and delete this file. Once you delete the file, restart your laptop and retry to update. After the update is complete, give it a reboot and check the application.